I got the chest reconstructive surgery with nerve reconnection / reinnervation for my nipples. Specifically, the nipple sensation, honestly, I had some sensation like day one. And as I've progressed in my healing, more and more has come back, and it's still coming back. It's really amazing to feel that happening and to know that this procedure works and that it's safe and that it's changed my life for the better. This is being offered to cis women, so it should be offered to every group, especially in the state of Washington. That is the law, and it's also the right thing to do. This procedure, I'm so happy with it, and if I hadn't have gotten the reinnervation, I would suffer severe mental anguish. So the way that this has changed my life, honestly, I have full flexibility back, and I had it back 3 months after the surgery. I'm 7 months out now, and I don't think I would have this range of motion and less pain if I didn't have that specific procedure.